For this setup, I'm going to show you how to use the public session kiosk to set up your testing environment for the NWEA MAP testing. Once you've logged into the admin page for Google, you're going to go under Device Management, and you're going to go to manage your Chromebooks. From here, you're going to manage your public session settings. Now you'll want to make sure you're in the right sub-organization. So for me, I'm going to be showing you how to do this on the instruction account. So I'm going to navigate down to the appropriate account. And you'll see I've already set it up, and I'm going to just walk you through which elements I changed here. So I set the session display name to be NWEA MAP. That way it's very straightforward what this testing session is. And as you'll scroll through, you'll see all the different settings. And if you refer back to the System Administration Guide, you'll see the list of all of the specific settings NWEA has asked us to set for the test environment. So the next one you'll want to make sure to check off is under Settings, and you'll want to say to block all apps and extensions except the ones I allow. And as you keep scrolling down, you'll see the next one is that for the home button, you want to say never show the home button. And you'll want to say that the home page is always the home page URL, which you'll specify here to be the test.mapnwea.org. For pages to load on startup, you'll want to enter in this URL here. You'll also want to make sure that you disable screenshots and that you allow all pop-ups. For URL blocking, you'll want to set these to be blocked. And then make sure to set your blacklist exceptions here, as stated. And again, these are all listed in your System Administration Guide. For printing, you'll want to make sure to disable printing option. Spell check service, you'll want to disable the spell check. You'll want to never offer translation. For developer tools, you want to say never allow use of built-in developer tools, never autofill forms. And then lastly, for audio output, you want to make sure you enable audio output. And that's it for the settings. Now, once you finish these settings, you'll want to go back and make sure that you enable this public session kiosk for it to show up on the Chromebooks. So we're going to go back to the Chrome management page, and we're going to click on Device Settings. And from Device Settings, we'll be able to enable the public session kiosk mode. So if you scroll down to Kiosk Settings, you'll see Allow Public Session Kiosk, and this will enable it to show up when you have students log into the Chromebook. And that's it for setting up a public session. Now that you've enabled Public Session Kiosk on your Chromebooks, within minutes, your Chromebook should be updated so that there is another option for logging into the Chromebook through this MAP NWEA setting. What this does is it enables your students to go onto the Chromebook without having to log in using their Google account. Now, some of you might be wondering, but wait, on the System Administration Guide, there are a lot of other settings that are missing from the public session settings, such as cookies, third-party cookie blocking, images, JavaScript, Google Chrome Instant, bookmark bar, bookmark editing, etc. Don't worry about those. These settings are recommendations, but this test can still continue even though you've had these set. And that's all I have for today.